cool. You've got a Sprunky meal. But first, why not try some of this special sauce? Let's start with a little drizzle. Ooh, I think things are about to get spicy. This pop has lost its fizz. Maybe that's because it's blocks. And look who's here, our Sprunky friends. Of course, there's some assembly required. This meal doesn't look too happy. Well, at least you still get a toy. It's a Gamebook, and we gotta save Pinky. Guess we're not the only ones with Sprunky on the menu. But it looks like the customer's full. Well, his loss is our gain, especially with this vacuum. Uh-oh, I think we cleaned the plate too soon. But now it's time to shake things up. Ooh, it looks like a lollipop. And it's the best flavor, all of them. Look, there's even a prize inside, a key. It looks like it's gonna be a great day. Of course, things can always change. Ooh, Mr. Sun, guess someone has their eye on you. And it looks like he wants to return the favor. But I think we should get things under control. Wonder Woman would be so proud. Besides, Mr. Sun just needs his medicine. But you could still use some color. And what's better than a golden glow? Glitter. Okay, a makeover like that deserves a key. Careful, it's terrible to waste good waste. But this looks like a job for rubber gloves. Hey, there's a familiar face in there. Well, half of one. In fact, a whole bunch of our friends are here. And it looks like we gotta help them find their better half. Just be careful crossing those wires. You know, I think a marker will work just as well. It should be easy, just match by color. Of course, we can still have some fun. After all the best roller coasters have loop-de-loops. Okay, we've collected all the faces. Now just add water for a quick soak. This key will take us over the rainbow. Looks like we're gardening. Hope you've got a green thumb. But don't worry, it's okay if you don't. Something tells me a little green's coming our way anyway. Just add some water and give things time to grow. Didn't I tell you? But someone can use a haircut. A gardener knows the importance of pruning. Looking good, Veneria, but you could use a little color. In fact, Let's get something to really help perk you up. Wait, hold on a sec. What is this stuff? Nuclear waste? It's supposed to be fertilizer. Don't worry, I'm sure we can fix things. I'm sure we can find some sort of antidote. Here, this stuff might work. What you need is a quick spritz. You'll be good as new. Besides, green really is your color. Especially when it comes in key form. Now it's time for a little screen time. But first, we're gonna need an adapter. Ratty's got just what we need, I hope. One of these spikes has to be just the thing. Things are always in the last place you look. Time to get plugged in. Oh, hello, computer. You have one chance? To do what? Save Sprunki? Find a key? At least we get a token to help. Hope you've got some cat scratch fever. Okay, it's nice we're finding familiar faces. But remember, we need to find that key. We've found it. And we're out of here. Ooh, it's lunchtime. How about some greens? Oh, delicious broccoli. Healthy and looks like trees. But I guess they're hard to keep down. We hear you. Everyone needs variety. So how about we go fishing? Ah, who needs worms? Slime's even stickier. Still, I'm almost tempted to throw some things back. Either way, all we need's a good recipe. They just need some time in our oven. Sushi? That must be some oven. Especially since sushi's served cold and raw. Either way, he likes it. And here's your tip. Next up, we gotta make our own maze. But first, we need to find some supplies. Lots of emphasis on the fine part. Ooh, red paint. That's a good start. Looks like we need two more things. A plug. We're almost done. One more thing. Aha! A blank sheet of paper. Their powers combined make a printer. But the mixing fun isn't over yet. Throw things in and get something new. Like this cute toy ambulance. But it still needs something to drive on. Okay then, one road coming up. Place it where the ambulance can reach it. We're gonna need more turns. Of course, a maze needs dead ends. We reached our patient, but we still need something. Like scissors for all this twine. Look, Oaxis has got our next key. Our Sprunky friends look a little washed out. Don't worry, our emotion friends can help. They always make the world a colorful place. Now, who could use a little disgust green? Here's looking at you, Oaxis. Next up is Joy's bright sunny yellow. I think this will suit you, Simon. Feeling blue? Sadness has got you covered. You just know cyan is Sky's color. Flip them over to see how they look. Looking good. And so does this key. Ooh, clear. I think we found them all. Don't worry, Pinky. We'll get you out of there. Aw, it was all worth it just to see that smile again. Ooh, maybe this Gamebook will cheer her up. Oh, fun! Embarrassment's having a picnic. It's just too bad that food attracts bees. Oh, don't cry. Where does it hurt? Talk about a pain in the... never mind. Now let's clear off all this pus. Just be careful where you aim that thing.
Ew.
Oh, wow. It's bikini season already. Look, he's giving you a memory orb. Don't worry, Fear. There are no monsters in here. But there might be one outside the window. Talk about being given up the ghost. We need to get this guy an ambulance. The doctor will see you shortly. Start by checking his heartbeat, like making sure he still has one. I think we need to check inside. Good thing he's already out cold. Always knew this guy had a big heart. But I wonder who he keeps inside. Oh, wow. How did she get in here? I think disgust would be a better fit. That's more like it. Put it back in. Next, you might feel a slight shock. Much better. Your heart's right on track. And it's got a pretty good beat, too. He's back. And he brought a present. Careful. Anger's got a fiery temper. No, really. Here, some ice cream will cool you down. Let's try kiwi. Some strawberry. Top it off with a scoop of lemon. Now let's add a cookie straw. And drown it all in chocolate. Of course, what's ice cream without sprinkles? What's better than a cherry on top? A cookie. Looks like Mr. Hothead's got some brain freeze. Disgust is here to clean things up. Let's start by putting out some fires. Looks like anger needs another cone. This next one's such a mess, I can't tell who's inside. Guess someone's hiding under the covers. Next up, we're checking Anxiety's room. I see someone's feeling jumpy today. We'll start with a little vacuuming. Now straighten up that table. And the vase belongs in one piece. We're shaking things up today with a fourth room. Oh, what a tangled web we weave. And by we, I mean ennui. Finally, someone gives us a tip. Careful, flowers sometimes have thorns. Also, bees. They sometimes have bees. Good idea, Riley. Plants do need water. And look, there's a few familiar feelings inside. Some fresh-picked emotions are just what we need, too. It's a matching game. Pair each face to its silhouette. No, disgust goes down there. Envy's up there. Anger finishes up the final row. Just add joy, and we'll win the big prize. A matching game? With balloons? Yes! Let's play! Ennui? No, a tear doesn't go with her. Sadness. Now that's more like it. This means we can pop her balloon. Next, anger. A phone? We know who that goes with. Fire? Now that goes with anger. We're halfway done.
Wow!
Envy and disgust. Okay, now broccoli and sunshine. Disgust doesn't really like broccoli, but it is green. A ring? Envy would like that. That just leaves joy and sunshine. We got all the memory orbs. Time for a quick blend. Memories always end up blending together. When it comes to joy, her cup's always full.